vacation now. And I'm gonna look some food back to work. Yeah. Third time after the hurricane. Go look what I'm going over to them and Dada. Yeah. I'm going to eat some grub up there so. So guys, gonna stay tuned and we see what I'm going, you know. Yeah, we might can't get to record everything. But we'll get the understanding. Yeah. Whole Harbour Bay again, St. Catherine, Jamaica. One of the most beautiful places on earth. Most wonderful and industrious. Yeah. Here is the main fish vending area. Yeah. Down on my corners that where the HQ is. Leaving them behind. Look on the water again today. Yes guys, so the place up on yourself. And stay tuned. It's a wonderful day. Yeah, almost 11 o'clock, but we still are going to look what one. Yeah, because we're going to do some scouting today. And that will tell us what to do for the rest of the week. The past 2 weeks, 3 weeks, we don't see the right kind of fish that warrants any kind of meaningful fishing. So we stay back. Well, if they come out and show the right sign, it's full speed ahead for the rest of the week. So no stay tuned guys. Yeah, that is it. Weather is very calm today. Not so good for my type of fishing, but sometimes they work just the same. Just have to search for them and follow the indicators. You like the color of water, the temperature, you know, the current. Yeah man, so we're going to have some things to look for. Yeah, I look for top feeders where you see the birds flying down and dipping. Yeah, that's one of the indicators that something might be under the air, driving the baits to the surface. So fishermen have a whole heap of indicators guys. It's just that some of them don't study it and don't follow it. Yeah, so when you come out and don't catch anything, you know it's rough. Yeah, so no stay tuned. Yeah, so we reach the fishing area now. All planned for the day. Yeah, I'm going to look at the first set over here so. Yeah, so Poland gone overboard for the first set. Yeah, I run out some net now. You guys gonna stay tuned, you know. Yeah, you guys will see what we catch on the first one, set by set. Yeah, so we're hunting all over the place. Yeah. But those who are new to the channel, that's how we lego the net. I would say we shoot the net, that's how we call it. So we are shooting the net now. Yeah, so we start a semicircle here so and go round. And the last end we'll get an extra circle, like a coil. So that when the fish them go in there, they can't come back out. Yeah. And then after we finish shooting net, we're going to run them onto the net by rattling the boat bottom. Some people beat the water with a stick, but we don't do that. Yeah, so no stay tuned guys and we'll see what we catch from it. Yeah, that is it. Yes guys, see one of the marker down there now. See there? I see the other one over there. And the belly of the net is up here. So we're going to rattle across from here, go to the other marker, then we're going to the belly of the net. So we're running the fish from down here, going up to the belly of the net. Yeah, so no stay tuned guys. That's how we rattle with that piece of stick. Yeah guys, yeah. So no stay tuned. Yeah.
Alright people, it's our catch on the first set. Not a great catch. There's not much in the deep water, so we're going to try another spot. Yeah, it's not so great. So we'll test them again elsewhere. Maybe on the shallows, because the deep now go on with nothing. Yes people, 3 mile and pass. Alright guys, stay tuned. Alright people, this is the second one. As I said, not much now go on night deep. So we come back in our shallows. The pole end there we just throw it up. And we make the little semicircle again. You see the net go over? Yeah, we second shoot this.
Yeah, we are going to soak that one a little bit.
I soak this one about an hour or more. Then we can take it up. 3 mile and pass around it out there. Yeah. Overboard the net as well.
Yeah.
So just stay tuned everybody.
We're leaving it out the song of pool out now against the mangrove somewhere. One of the mark up the song and the other one is way out there. Yeah, now you don't see the sign of the fish them see here. And you don't kill yourself when you come and see them fish don't come out. Because you can't go in the mold for them or go at a certain area where they are. So we are the next best thing. Leaving it out cool out a little and then we come back. And sometimes they start to work like from 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock. Yeah, so no rush guys. And stay tuned. Against the mangrove we cool out and look for nature you know. Yeah, that is it. A couple of that, just jump in the boat. Yeah, Dada, take this and show them. Yeah, just jump in the boat. Just so we not see nothing there as we talk.
People nearly lick me in a minute, kill me. See my people jump right in a boat. Just hear bloop, nearly lick me down. Funny size of empty bottle.
That is it.
Yeah man, a good size people.
Fish on board and fish in a boat.
Yeah man.
Yeah.
That was a good one.
That is it.
Yes people, I'm mangrove side so we have a cool off you know. Just jump right in. Right on time.
Guys, we can't help him you know. Sorry for him but we can't help him. Because things not looking up today. So I just salt him salt. Yeah. Jumping jack, a real jumping jack this now you know guys. See in there? Yeah, so that is it, gonna stay tuned.
Yes people, so brother stingray come. That's a piece of fish that can come back. No, I'm gonna wait still. Yeah, fish, then can't come back. Man, yummy. Look to the right hand and look at the piece and come back. No, right, that's all. One more the camera. He wide enough, but you don't near him, see him here. Kan the camera. Mau sini. Hey people, that's the stingray. All of them bongs up one place I look.
After looking at the stingray guy and the fish them in the mangrove, I will walk on the land and I want to look. See two of the big egret them there. Garland. Yeah, see them there guys. They might traverse the pond. Them very wild guys, see them fly gone over there. Those are the big ones, not the regular little one that we see on the beach front. Yeah. And some time ago on this channel we spoke about this pond and its life forms. Yeah. Days gone by used to have fish in there. Snook and tarpon and things like that. And now see the desolate. You know? Those birds that you see there are some hopeful. Because them still a walk and a look. See what kind of life in it. But see them most of the mangroves died around it. Yeah. So you know either pollution or something caused that. So cause some of those used to survive inside the pond there. Especially near the edge. Yeah. And see those garland there. I don't know what they're doing here because I always see some little fine thing upon the water run. No other life form. And you notice them walking around and for a long time before you see them make a pick. Yeah, so it's desolate guys. So we're there, go and walk on the land and look. Yeah. Yeah. The pelican coming across there. Yeah. I'm only a shelter around here so I'm going to kill him in this pond. Yeah. So guys, I saw a land crab a while ago out here that we spoke about, that when it come May, June, July and you come against the high and low tide, you will see 1 and 2 of those land crab. We used to catch them. You don't have to go into the water, you come right on the side here and catch a whole heap of them. And them scarce now guys. I saw one a while ago guys right here, but it run down in the water. They don't stay very long in the water, so I don't know if I'm going to surface again. It was right here. Yeah, land crab was right there. But some of them going to hide. Looking at the boat. Yes, huh? Days gone by man, right here so you would look. And with these you could count 20, 30 those big crabs. Not again guys. Those days long gone. See there? Don't see any. This is one of the little purple one around there. And we don't really eat them in Jamaica. They are eaten in different parts of the world. But we don't eat those. And even like you see this road set now, you would see at least 6 of them around it. You see they're not even one. That's where it go guys. Things are changed as we always say. And it look like it's for the worse as far as life form is concerned. Yeah. When we used to walk on here very often, you know. Since the hurricane I didn't come on here. Yeah. Well, I'm sorry for all these mangroves that you see here. Look at that guys. Just about 10 feet from the land, that's all I leave now. I used to have about, you have to walk in 30 feet of mangroves from out there before you reach where I am now. And look, there's just about 10 feet of it leave. Yeah, very bad. Yeah, you're looking at the damage of the hurricane did. Yeah, not so bad at all. You can see where the high water markers. See there right where the planet is on that route there. This is about probably 4 feet above the regular sea level. Yeah. It do more damage if you look from on the outside here because that's the windward part. Where the wind hit from is the windward part, and the other side, the opposite side, is the leeward side. So if you look out here, you will see quite a few more trees down. You can see some of them from here, the mangroves. You see guys, very bad. It lasts a lot. Yeah. So guys, on this typical for the entire coastline, in Jamaica. A lot of damage being done, especially where the mangroves are exposed to the wind. And here guys, here was also a good place where you could come and watch birds in the evenings, you know. Not anymore. Yeah, see there guys, passed here about a month ago. I'm pretty that tree there would be down and the one over the other side, and I say within a couple of months, but less than a month him gone down because the hurricane come and catalyze the process. Boy, I tell you, speed up the reaction or the action, brother. See, there's some of the mangroves down on the inside here. Yeah, you know, it changed the topography too because the sand back up about around the places, so full up in this area. Mangrove break down there, you know. Because while you see most of the assessment I go on the land with houses and things like that, you know, it is very important that we assess what is happening with the mangroves. See there, we're going to lose all of this. All of this piece here will be lost. And right here, yeah, see there. So soon you will have no mangrove here, so just the raw land. Don't ask me if that good or bad, you know. But everybody to judge, I just telling you what is happening and what is going to happen. See there, so we actually lose this piece right here already. Because once the water surround here, some of those mangroves will eventually die. Because not all of them can live in the water fully. Part will have to be in the water and part on land. Never study nothing much about mangroves, except then go against the water side. So see there, all of these, the roots are exposed, so you know that they are done, they are finished. So from there to here is another 15 feet that at this little point here we're going to lose. So the sea will be right here, so we lose this, all of this, probably 20 feet. Yeah, sad indeed. But anyhow, the wait and see thing, mitigation like it don't exist for these kind of event and this kind of degradation. So guys, I'm gonna stay tuned, you know. I know we see what I go catch the fish them, because there's more to be said, but it don't make sense at this moment. So I eat this guys until we reach back out there. So yeah, see the guys, last time I showed that one, I saw him going down. This was one of them too. But we give couple months, but the hurricane come and turn him over. I call this one a black mangrove. I don't do much search for a mangrove guy, but this one gone. Yeah. Look at it, see there? Yeah. So we in a problem, guys. Yeah. I don't hear any survey going with the flora and the island, especially the marine part of it. You know, the wetland part. I don't see any figures coming out yet. I don't know if it's there or they're hiding it somewhere. So guys, you know, stay tuned, you know. Yeah. Yeah, so we go back out of the net, you know. Go look what I go on. You are for the land, so. Go look what I go on also. Go to bread and net, you know, so I go on. Yeah. Some rain on the land there. Come on, we know to set up the look. Yeah. Anyhow, we're out here, guys. Very calm weather, same way all day today. Not good for my type of fishing, but still I try what I can tell. Yeah. So stay tuned to the 2 net marker out there. Yeah. Rock out the net and take it up now.
Alright people, so remember I said to make a while ago and say we are get some, yeah, the second one also we are get some time for soak. This is the result, people. It's not a bad catch. Not a bad catch at all. So it's definitely better than the first.
Not bad at all.
Yeah, we have a few more over this side as well. Yeah, so I'll get them out quick and fast. And it could rain and pass through. But none no catch yet. Yeah, no more of them on the land. Yeah, see rain there. Tear up over land. So I'll get them out quick and see if we can try one more again and show on what I go on. So just stay tuned, everybody. Alright, so I third one these people. We get out all I fish them out in it. Them here. All of them this. Yeah man. Good amount of shad. Mostly shad fish though. So we have put the third one overboard now. Yeah, this is the first end. We are turning up to see next. So just go and watch what I go on still. So we show on the next get. 3 mile and pass a putty over there. Alright people. Yeah people, just like the third one. They rock out now. They're right close to the mangrove side. Yeah man, shallow waters. We have to test the shallow waters and see. Yeah man. Yeah, that was the second set again. We have to give it another look. Yeah man. So just stay tuned. Yeah, so we finished take up the third set. Not a thing people, not a thing. Just a couple finals. But at least we catch one nice cobbler jack. Down here can cook good dinner fish. You know? So we'll see what can go on again. Third one not go on with nothing, so stay tuned. We'll try one more and see.
Go back out at the deep again, people. Yeah. Third one looks soft. Still I will try one more now. Yeah, the last one that we tried. To know if anything come out. We don't say anything on that one, now we know that the fishing not working. You know? So, another day I close to it. I will normally spend more than 5 or 4 hours out here. Gone past that already. So we give thanks still, guys. Yeah, the sun the way up in the sky same way. See there? I see the horizon down there, so. Yeah. But I just check where I check as we tell you. I scout out for a long time, don't come out. So let's stay tuned still, guys.
Well people, that one here gonna be the last one because weather shine off. And nothing not catching at them shine with there. Brother Jody just dead for hungry. And the next thing, the water full of jellyfish, people. There I'm right down, be a jellyfish.
Stinging one them.
And I bad stinging one them. So we are going to just finish take up that one and go home.
We're not even looking for no fish pants.
Not even look for no fish, people.
Yeah.
So just stay tuned and see what I go on. We'll show you the final catch same way as usual.
That is it, we are going home. There's some rain. Yeah. All around is raining. There. All around. Give me a party over there on the land. Coming out because it's nothing that is coming out now. Bringing out the rain. Yeah. Another wonderful again. Right in on the land again, guys. Another wonderful, wonderful day to give thanks for. Right, this one on. Yes guys, I eat that, you know. As soon as you see the two fish I will catch. The evening beautiful. It look good. Yeah. Weather nice. Yeah. It's a light wind. Cool down the place. Everything nice. Yes guys, see a couple of fish in there. Yeah. I eat that guys. Yeah. I eat that guys. I remember I said a big one, him jumping at the boat, you know, him salt like brine. Yeah. So we go on good seeing you guys. You know, because scout and I go check out, because I really bad out the fishermen, them go out and they come out with nothing. About 4 months straight now. You know, so we give thanks, some praise. So guys, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, you know. Yeah. Anything can happen same way. You understand? In terms of how we eat them, some of them fish. So bless upon yourself until then. That is it.